Hello Agriquiz family, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss some question on papaya. I have already discussed it's part 1, so it is the part 2 of discussion. We are wasting in time. Let's start. Question number 1. For seed production, papaya fruits are harvested at, here the right answer is color break stage. Then seedling of papaya in nursery are ready for transplanting in. It is generally ready to transplant in between 45 to 60 days. So 2 months is right answer. Then hardiest species of papaya. Here the right answer is Vasconcella quercifolia. Then this is the statement type question. Choose the correct statement. High temperature more than 35 degrees Celsius lead to male sterility in papaya, and this statement is wrong. Then statement 2, misshapen or cat face fruit of papaya due to fusion of stamen to ovary tissue in hermaphrodite flower, and this statement is correct. So only 2 is correct. Then highest carotene variety of papaya. Here the right answer is sunrise solo. Transgenic variety of papaya. Here the right answer is all of the above, son of, rainbow and Hawaii. Both 3 are transgenic variety. Then cross of Prabhat. Here the right answer is Arka Surya with cross with Tainung 1. Then seed rate of papaya for dioecious variety. Here the right answer is 400 to 500 gram per hectare. Then papaya is highly susceptible to, here the right answer is waterlogging. Don't confuse, when you find highly susceptible then click on waterlogging, but when you find only susceptible then click all. Then this is a statement type of question. Choose the correct statement. 10% of male plant are planted where gynodioecious variety are cultivated. This is the, it is not gynodioecious, it is in dioecious variety. 10% male plant are planted. And then statement 2, papaya is thermosensitive crop. Here this statement is correct, so only 2 is correct. Then papaya has narrow gene pool. Then dual purpose or table or layer variety of papaya is, and the right answer is CO6. Then test weight of papaya, here the right answer is 14.5 gram. Then male papaya plant bear fruit in summer season is known as, here the right answer is carpeloidy. Then maleness in papaya is controlled by, here the right answer is satellite chromosome. Then drying temperature of papaya, drying temperature of papain, here the right answer is 45 to 50 degree Celsius, but in some book it is mentioned 50 to 55 degree Celsius, so please check it. Then this is the statement type question. Choose the correct statement. For induction of maleness in papaya, spray GA3 at the rate of 50 ppm, and this statement is correct. Then K is required for TSS content of latex and enzyme activity in papaya, so this statement is also correct, so both statements are correct. Then Which state has highest productivity of papaya? Here the right answer is Tamil Nadu, but to highest production, that is Andhra Pradesh. And then world fast transgenic commercial variety of papaya. Here the right answer is rainbow. But world fast transgenic variety, that is Sanap. When it is commercial variety, that is rainbow. Then papaya was introduced in India in 16th century, year 1611. Male and female ratio in dioecious variety of papaya. Here the right answer is 1:1. Then first resistant species of papaya is both Vasconcella candamarensis and Vasconcella pentagona. Both are frost resistance. Then seed viability of papaya seed. Here the right answer 45 days, but it is 90 days, not 45 days. So correct it. Then papaya ring spot virus is first reported in, here the right answer is West India. Then predominant sex form of papaya. Here the right answer is all male, female and hermaphrodite. Then seedmating is practiced in papaya breeding to avoid inbreeding depression to maintain the genetic uniformity, and this statement is correct. Generally, seedmating is cross between related species like sibling. In generally in human it is sibling, that's why it is seedmating close related species to avoid inbreeding depression. Then metagenia effect is found in papaya, and this statement is correct. So both statements are correct. Then type of inflorescence in papaya. Here the right answer is panicle. Then ring spot virus in papaya is transmitted by, right answer is aphid. But leaf curl virus, it is transmitted by mealybug. Sorry, white fly. It is not mealybug, it is white fly. Leaf curl virus in papaya transmitted by white fly. Then papaya fruit is known as, all of those is right. It is one fruit of tropic and subtropic melon tree or meat tree of melon. Then breakfast fruit, backyard fruit, and all of these correct. So then this is a statement type question. Choose the correct statement. Carpine is obtained from papaya and utilized for diuretic and heart stimulant, and this statement is correct. Then India is the largest producer of papaya, and this statement is also correct. So both are correct. Then Pythium aphani dermatum is a causal organism causes disease in papaya. Here the right answer is all. So damping of kola rot and foot rot, these are the synonymy of damping of. So all of these is correct. Then choose the correct statement. Papaya provide more income per hectare next to mango, and papaya is a highest remunerative crop than any other crops. Then here only statement 2 is correct. Then major storage disease of papaya, here the right answer is anthracnose. Suitable variety of papaya for high density planting, here the right answer is Pusa nana. Then largest producer of papaya fruit is, here the right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Optimum temperature for seed germination of papaya, here the right answer is 30 degrees Celsius. Then which of the following is a dioecious variety of papaya, here the right answer is Pusa giant. Then blood red color of pearl variety of papaya, here the right answer is Taiwan. Papaya is rich source of, here the right answer is vitamin A. Then papaya is usually tree, it is a dioecious tree. Dioecious means male and female reproductive or female flower present in different plants. So this is the meaning of dioecious. Here I have finished all the 40 questions. So if my videos are helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.